Hey everybody, this is dose 69. I woke up this morning and I weighed 198.5 or point 0.6. So I knew I wasn't worried about it. But I kind of do this diet my own way. I'm not worried about losing 2 pounds a day or whatever. Pound a day is fine, half pound, it doesn't matter. I'm already at a good weight now, so I'm not really worried about it. If I lose, if I get down to 190, I'll probably keep losing weight because I'm not going to be drinking sodas anymore. Soda was my biggest nemesis. So anyway, I keep drinking my unsweet tea and my Kool-Aid with my sweetener in it. And the best sweetener, I mean, if you're going to do this diet, is to go to Kroger and get the Apriva. It's amazing, and it's 1 for 1. If you use 1 cup of sugar, you use 1 cup of Apriva. And I've even noticed I can cut back to like 3/4 cup. And I don't mind the flavor. I think it tastes pretty good actually. But anyway, I'm gonna take this dose. It's dose 69, and tonight I'll take 70. I'll probably get down to like 197, 190, yeah, about 197, 196, something like that. Um, but yeah, I'm getting close to my 180 goal. And if I don't do it, I got another round I can do later on. I'm only going to do the 4 rounds this time, and or the phase. So um, the loading phase 1. Then so anyway, it's 45 days. 45 days on the diet total after I'm done with everything. So, but anyway, I'm gonna take my HCG, and I got a lot to do today, and I will be back tonight with my other dose. It should be 70. So. But started out at 2:30, so and I've cheated. Went to the buffet once. Wendy's a few times, but I tell you what, the chili works really well. The chili works really well. So I would say chili is something you definitely want to put on your diet, because it's 330 calories, and it really does do a good job. Cleans you out also. That's another good thing. So anyway, I will see you guys tonight, and be safe.